In this video, you will learn how to make your videos private or public on your TikTok account. So hey, I'm Sam and welcome to our channel How to Guide It. If you want to make your public video private or private video public in your TikTok account, you have to open your TikTok application. I will open my TikTok. So make sure you have turned on or turned off, or you have lowered the volume of your media so that you cannot see that noise. So I will go to my profile section, which is on the bottom side of the page. Now you can see that my videos are published and there are so many videos. So for example, I will open any video and for example, so that second number video which is next to the drafts. So I will click on this video, I will pause this, and this is the simple video of me saying something. On the right side you can see that three dots are mentioned in the horizontal form. You will click on it, and there are three sections, three rows, in which first is your profile and second is apps, and on the third side, third number row, you can see that analytics, save video, pin, do it, and many more options are showed. So you will click on the privacy settings, which is in the middle of the page. You will click on it, and now under the privacy settings you can see that who can watch this video, everyone. So if I click on this everyone, and if I switch this video to friends, so followers that you follow back, it means that if I select the second number option, people who will follow me and people whom I follow and we have mutual connection, so those people can see my video. So if I click on the only me, so the persons who are following me or the general public on the TikTok cannot see my this video. So if you want to private your video, you will click on the only me section, and if you want to make public your private video, you will click on the everyone or friends. So friends is like closed circle option. So if you want to make public your private video, you will click on the everyone and just tap on this and close or go to back. So this, in this way you can make your public video private or private video public. So this is a bit confusing, but you must see and you must understand what I have showed you and what I have understand you. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe our channel, and if you have any confusions in your mind, you can ask them in the comment section below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.